Jacks Beach. Today's a really breezy day. Probably like, well, anyway, it's pretty strong. And I got my Carver drums upstairs. Hopefully it's not returning back to China. It's returning back to me. So I feel my buddies out there, they're doing kiteboarding. And I have to show you what this thing can do land-wise on the breeze.